Today, I'm going to show you on how you can upload your own font in Canva. Canva does have a lot of fantastic looking font, but there are some fonts that are not available, or sometimes you might want to use your own custom font to be used in your Canva design. For example, I want to recreate the Google logo, but I don't have the appropriate font for it. So this is the actual Google logo, and this is the Google logo using the Canva font. And it doesn't even close, and I want to use the font that is used by Google. So I went ahead and searched some font resources on the internet and got this result from GitHub. So basically you can download a font from third-party website, and usually they're going to have the format TTF or OTF. That's usually the format for fonts. And after that, after you have downloaded the file, you can upload the font to Canva. So here's how you can do that. First, I'm going to click on any text and then click on the font, and after that you want to click the upload font button, and this is the folder that contains all the fonts from Google. So this is the font that is used by Google, and I'm going to use that on my Canva design. Again, the format is TTF. Sometimes it could be OTF, or it could also be WOF, but usually it's either TTF or OTF. Anyway, when you're done, you can click open and then just wait until the upload is being in the process. So okay, there's something that you need to know. So not all fonts can be used even though it is available on the internet. There are some fonts that are not meant for commercial use. So you have to understand that if you don't want to be bothered by legal issue in the future, like maybe someone could claim something, they could send a complaint to you because you're using a font that you don't have a permission to use. So that's one thing to keep in mind when uploading your own font. Okay, and now we just need to wait. And okay, now on the upload section, you'll see that I just uploaded this Google Sans. This is the font that's used by Google, and I could just apply that to the text, and now I got this great logo that looks exactly like from Google, and I think it looks really cool. So there you have it. That's how you can upload your own font to Canva. And if you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.